SyncBack is software which allows backing up and synchronizing files to several resources, including an internal or external drive, to different media, USB thumb drive, CD, DVD, to a remote server, NAS, FTP, Windows Server, and to a cloud storage provider.With file backup, move, sync, and restore functions. The program has been highly rated for being easy to use. Features. Below are the features found in SyncBack. Note that some features may be available in the higher variants of SyncBack. Choose from 32-bit or 64-bit versions, SyncBacks and SyncBack Pro only. Backup, mirror, intelligent sync and restore functions. Support for internal and external storage or network device like NAS or remote Windows system. SFTP, FTPS, FTP protocols supported. SyncBack container files and VHDX support. SyncBack Touch support, backup macOS, Windows and Android devices. Media Transfer Protocol, MTP, support. Cloud storage support, Amazon S3, and compatible, Google Drive, Microsoft Azure, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, Office 365, SharePoint, Office 365, Dropbox, Box, SugarSync, Amazon Drive New to V8 Google Storage, OpenStack, and Backblaze B2. Backup to email servers and backup of emails. Ransomware detection. Group profile run grouped backup tasks. Scheduled backups. Powerful filter engine. File verification and hashing compare method. Multi-language user interface. Email logs. Multiple compression types supported. Deflate, DEFLATE 64, BWT, BZIP2, LZMA. ACE 256-bit file encryption support. File integrity checking support, SyncBack Pro only. SyncBack Management Service, SBMS, for centralized management. Scripting. Real-time backup or sync when files folders change. Backup sync on device insertion, USB drive, etc. Incremental and differential backups. Fast backup feature. File versioning. Open and locked file copying. Versions. There are 4 versions of SyncBack available: SyncBack Free, SyncBack Lite, Shareware, SyncBacks, Shareware, or SyncBack Pro, Shareware. SyncBack Free is free for home and business use. SyncBack Lite is the entry-level solution for home users and includes additional features like intelligent sync and open file copying. SyncBacks is suitable for both personal and business usage and includes extra features like open file copying, versioning, FTPS FTP, ransomware detection, 256-bit ACE encryption, MTP, SyncBack Touch, etc. SyncBack Pro is the flagship product and includes more features like SFTP support, backup to email servers, scripting, backup of email, support for cloud backup and centralized management with SBMS. SyncBacks and SyncBack Pro work on both Windows client versions and Windows Server OSes. SyncBack Free and SyncBack Lite support Windows client versions only. See also: file synchronization, backup, list of backup software, references, external links. The best backup software for Windows 20 million users. 2brightsparks.com. Retrieved 2018-0503.